Okay, doing a carb clean, rebuild, whatever you want to call it. On you bought a carb kit, says Evinrude Johnson, but the picking ticket says BRP on it, so I don't know. I forgot what he said it's for. I was up there helping him, trying to get it started. Probably at Johnson. Anyway, we're gonna do take this down and clean them both out, put them in the hydrosonic cleaner. So we'll see how much of this I can record before my phone dies. So we're gonna count, see what this is. This looks like a drain, but we'll count the numbers anyway. And we're gonna go in half, one. So that was out. Just one turn on that. My fingers are in the way, hands are in the way. Actually, it's probably not the drain. I don't know what that is right offhand, but a heck of a long brass screw. Oh, jet, look at that jet. Get that cleaned up. So, okay, let's check this one, see what they had that one at. Half, one, pretty much, maybe 1 1/8. Not really too far off. First time putting dual carbs. This is a pretty old engine. I have no idea how old it is. But, you know, carbs are, a lot of them are very similar, so it's just a matter of taking everything apart and cleaning them out, right? So it's going to be probably a boring video, but I don't know how much I can record, so maybe we'll just tear down one of them. So get this float ball off. There's a drain in here. There's some old stinky fool. Yeah, I probably should have drained this before, but oh well. Yeah, it's nasty. Oof, dirty. You can see that. Some bad fuel. Definitely smells like turpentine. Holy smokes. But we were able to pop the engine over on starting fluid, but I guess we probably should have drained these bowls before we tried that. They may not need the carb kit. Just clean her out, see what happens. Because he only bought one kit. I think that's a probably. If you don't know enough about carbs and you got a double or triple, you got to buy a carb kit for each one unless they sell them all together. I had a triple that I just did on a Yamaha jet ski. Those weren't cheap. So I'm just taking off the 4 bolts. Maybe I should have loosened these up and had them ready for you guys. Try to keep track of the screws, which went where. You see a number on there, a symbol. I'm just not familiar with these older ones, but it might be quite a bit more simple. Let's see if we can remove this. So these are like interesting. These are cork gaskets. There's a lot of grime and stuff in there. Let's see if we can get that float off. The kit did come with a float and stuff, but gosh, I don't know other than that pin. But we're not going to remove that. That's it. Just got to pop the float off somehow, and then we'll get in there and go through these with some whatever you want to call these cleaners, like welding tip cleaners, but I like to use them for cleaning carbs. So anyway, kind of simple. We'll get that off, get it all cleaned up, put it behind our sonic cleaner, and that's really about it. Not much. Kind of pretty dirty inside though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.